Hi friends, today let's talk about number words. My name is Beanie. What's yours? Just as you and I have names, numbers also have names. Some are easy while some are little tricky. Let's quickly learn these. 0. This is the numeral 0 and the number name for the numeral 0 is Z-E-R-O. 0. This is the number 1 and the number name for numeral 1 is O-N-E 1. This is the number 2, numeral 2 and the number name for numeral 2 is T-W-O 2. This is number 3. The number name for numeral 3 is T-H-R-E-E 3. This is number 4 and the number name for numeral 4 is F-O-U-R 4. This is number 5 and the number name for numeral 5 is F-I-V-E 5. This is the number 6 and the number name for numeral 6 is S-I-X 6. Next is number 7. The number name for numeral 7 is S-E-V-E-N. We have number 8 next. The number name for numeral 8 is E-I-G-H-T. Here comes number 9 and its number name is N-I-N-E 9. And finally we have number 10, 1010. And the number name of the numeral 10 is T-E-N 10. Lovely. Thanks for watching.